This right here was a 6 risk to reward ratio trade.
What?
That I took during May CPI news.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
And in this video, I'm gonna give you a detailed explanation how I always catch such massive moves during high impact news. So you wanna watch till the end to understand everything.
Okay.
So we are gonna use two time frames, that is H1 time frame and M5 time frame. Each time frame has its own terms and conditions that must be respected to the teeth. This is what we look for on H1 time frame. Number 1, current direction. Please note its current direction. Number 2, order block plus order block retest plus SC or B, or liquidity rate plus SC or B. And this is what we look for on M5 timeline. Number 1, change of character plus IDM grab, or a special chart pattern called head and shoulders type 1. Make sure to remember these two terms and conditions as we proceed in the video. But before we proceed, be sure to like this video and also subscribe this channel for more trading content like this. Thank you. So let us proceed. In this example 1, current direction is bullish, making higher highs and lows. So we are buying only. This is a valid order block zone. When price retests the zone right here, we will wait for a single candle order block pattern like this one before scaling down to M5 timeline for entries. SC or B stands for single candle order block. Means when the next candle broke high or low or previous candle, while its high or low is intact. In this example, price moved up and this is the last candle of the up move. The third candle right here broke its low at this point here, but its high is intact right here. In this example, price was bearish and this is the last candle of the down move. The following candle broke its high right here, but its low is intact at this point. So guys, SCOB is a powerful candlestick pattern. I recommend that you always wait for it. So let's go to M5 timeline for entry confirmation. This entry module is called change of character choke with inducement grab. Upon retest of H1 or B zone right here, price created change of character choke here. This is inducement, a valid pullback after change of character, and this inducement acts as liquidity for a buy entry. So we will wait for price to grab this inducement here plus single candle order block pattern as the last conference for entry buy. Remember, stop loss must be below the H1 or B zone right here. This illustration too shows another bullish scenario on H1 timeline. Current direction is very bullish and this is equal liquidity pool right here. After some time, liquidity pool was grabbed by this move. So we wait for single candle order block before scaling down to M5 timeline for entry confirmation. So this is the M5 time frame showing head and shoulders type 1 entry module. This is the liquidity grabbed on H1 time frame. Following H1 equal liquidity grab, price formed on M5 time frame equal highs right here, which is the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. This is the head of the pattern and this is the inducement right here. So we wait for price to grab this inducement like this plus single candle order block at this zone as the last conference for the buy entry. Remember, stop loss must be below the head, at least 1%. In this example, market was completely bearish according to H1 timeline. So it's good to look for selling opportunities mostly. This is a valid OB zone right here, and upon retest like this, we wait till price forms single candle order block pattern like this one before we scale down to M5 timeline for entry confirmation. This is the illustration of bearish change of character with inducement entry module. Upon retest of H1 order block zone here, price forms on M5 time frame change of character here, and this level acts like inducement. When inducement is grabbed like this, we still wait for single candle order block before entry sell this way. Stop loss must be placed above H1 or B zone like this. In this example 4, H1 timeline is absolutely bearish, giving no single opportunity for buying. If you see clearly, this zone formed trendline liquidity pool right here, which was later grabbed like this. And don't forget guys, every liquidity must be completely grabbed. In this case, trendline was completely grabbed. So we wait for single candle order block here before confirming sales on M5 timeline. Following H1 timeline, trendline liquidity grab right here, price formed head and shoulders type 1 entry module. Remember guys, there are so many entry modules for low time frame confirmation, but I specifically selected these two because they are high probability patterns. Neckline must be equal as we can see here. This is inducement level. We wait for inducement grab like this plus single candle order block at this zone before sell down entry. Stop loss must be at least 1% above the head level right here. In the next video, I'll explain the same strategy using live market.